Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add comments to folders in File Explorer in Windows. So let's say you want to add some comments to a specific folder, so when you open your File Explorer you'll be able to see those comments. So the first thing you need to do is add the comments column. So you could right click anywhere in the column headers here, go to More, and then look for comments in the list. All right, so now you have a comments column. So the next question is, how do you add a comment to a folder? So if you right click on one, go to the properties, there's no place to add comments here because these folders don't have the metadata like the files do. So if we clicked on this file here, go to properties, we have details and you could enter metadata information into here. All right, so what a lot of people do, so you might have seen this when researching this, is you have to enable the hidden files and folders on your computer, so that way you'll see the desktop.ini file, and then you'll have to make a change to your folder and then edit the ini file. So it's kind of a pain to do. So what we're going to use is a free tool called Style Folder. So it's an older program, but it still works for the purpose here. So once you download and install it, you just run it. So you browse to the folder. So let's say we want to do this confidential files folder here. And then we just add our comment. So the background and the icon thing don't seem to do anything. Same with the text color, but the whole point is just to add your comment rather than kind of customize things. So we'll click on OK here, or apply, OK. So sometimes it'll happen right away and other times you'll have to refresh. So now we have our comment here. So the only catch is, to get rid of this comment, you're going to want to go back to this program to delete it. Then you'll have to browse to it all over again. So if we do that again here, you can see it kept it in here, and then you could change it and delete it from there. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple way to add some comments here. So let's say if we close the folder here and go back into it. And let's do one more check here. Let's do a quick reboot of the computer, make sure it sticks. Okay, let's see what we got. Yep, so it stays even on the reboot. So once again, just right click your column headers here, go to More, add the comments column there, install this program, which I'll put a link for in the description, and then you just run it each time to add your comments. Browse to your folder, add your comment, and then that should be it. So I would just make sure to keep this program on your computer in case you want to remove the comments later on, because it might be a little difficult to figure out how to do it otherwise. And of course, you could always hide the comments column too if you don't want to see it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.